Hey everyone, welcome to the tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make changes to the actual track heights without messing with the track zooms. If you don't know what I mean, normally if you hold down Control and your mouse wheel, you can change the track height, but it's changing all the other track heights with it. And if you had certain things zoomed in the way you wanted, like let's say that this one was zoomed this large, and then we go to this one, now it's taken that right back out of the way it was. And I couldn't figure out for the life of me how to fix this. Now I do have this little tool here that says restore previous zoom level, but when you keep clicking through it, it doesn't exactly go back the way you want it, especially if you need to make changes to audio over here and then you wanted to go back to that track height, it's going to change the zoom level that you were at over there. So it was just blowing my mind that I couldn't figure this out. And finally, I found the right extensions. It's, of course, going to be in the SWS extensions under this extension tab. So make sure that you have downloaded the SWS extensions and consider donating. I mean, it is free. So the way that I like to have it is like this. It zooms in on just that one track. And normally I'm on dual monitor, so I like this height. So if I hit it once, it changes that track height. If I select that one, it's only changing that track height. And I do this a lot of times because I might be messing with an audio sample in this track, and maybe I want to be able to see these two. All right, so what I'm using here is going to be this SWS extension toggle selected tracks height A/B, and I also use the minimize selected tracks. So if you ever need to search for these, you can go into action, show action list, and just type in tracks height A/B. I also use the tilde shortcut for this because I wasn't using that for anything else. So if I hit it once, it goes to the maximum height. Once again, goes back down to the normal height, I guess you could say. And then if I hit Q, which is my shortcut for minimize selected tracks, it will minimize it when I select off of it. So to make the change here to the actual track heights and define them to the way that you want them, just go to the extensions, command parameters. And right here, you'll see track height A and track height B. So if I wanted to, I could go ahead and go in and change track height to 40, and let's change this one to 100. Now we'll go back in, I'll hit the change of the height, and you'll see that it's just changing it very small and bringing it back down to 40. I'll go back and change this again. Let's go back to 80 and 340. Now I'm back to the way that I like it. So this might be helpful to you. I hope it is. It helped me out a lot. I couldn't figure this out for the longest time and it was really frustrating. So I decided to post this video for you guys. And if it did help you, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, give a like to the video, and I'll have more videos, hopefully that will help you on other things inside of Reaper in the future.